Hello everybody, welcome to the next episode of Sniffle Souls. Today we continue trying to kill the menace and hopefully we get somewhere with that, okay? Okay. Anyway, enough of my silly voices for one day, at least for now. Mind blank. Yep, complete mind blank. Let's try this again, shall we? Because, you know, if I can't think of what I was going to say, I should probably say something new. My knee hurts. There we go. Something new, kind of. I'm not sure why. And before anyone who saw yesterday's video about the old skateboarding, it's not because of that, because it hurt before that. So, yes. I have no idea what the cause might be. But oh well. I don't really have anywhere to go with that. Blogging, that's going okay with me, yes, there's no problems there. Oh yes, I was playing Brink recently, as you should be aware if you watch my videos, yes. And I appear to have lost my case, which contains my Brink disc. Which is most unfortunate, because that means I can't play Brink anymore. Oh, dearie me. No one got back to me about voice acting, by the way. These little humanity things reminded me. So I'm gonna assume nobody wants to hear me do voice acting. That's mildly upsetting. Can't say I blame you though. Like, it's not exactly something I'm gonna be great at, and it's not gonna be something that I'm gonna be able to do like soon. Anyway, so I don't see why anyone would want to see that really. But yes, I can still summon Sif. I should have done that by now. Sif, where are you? Where's your summon sign? Where is it? I am a human. That's the reason I am a human at the moment, is so I can attempt to summon you. So if you would maybe help me out and let me... they should be over here. There we go. Whoo! Ooh! Go grab my remains. Roll away. I smell like grease. Not grease, oil. And I'm probably dead. I am not quite, but I'm still very nearly dead. In fact, I may still be dead. Because I have no way of stopping myself from being dead. Okay, that helped. Thank you, Sif. The Great Grey Wolf. Boom. Boom. Note to self, don't go for doubles. Only go for singles. Tantrum attack almost killed me. Again. What is it with this guy just being overpowered as fuck? Ow. Double ow. Treble ow. Sigh. By the way, if I sound slightly, less energetic than I have in the past, there are reasons for that. Reasons that I shan't disclose at present, but I may in a blog post later on. By later on, I mean, I may have a blog post about it up at some point. Might have one from yesterday, actually. Who knows? I know I don't. So, pop the next humanity. To reverse the hollowing again. By the way, Got 10 minutes maximum of this episode left, so let's hope that we get this done, shall we? And that is 10 minutes maximum of this episode left, as in this recording session. If I edit it down, there's going to be less. Yeah. And that's maximum. So, yeah. There's that. The reason for that is partially because I smell of oil, because I was oiling my skateboard earlier. As you do, the wheels, they weren't particularly spinny, so I smell like oil. But no, where was I going with this? What was I talking about? Oh, right, yeah. Not because I smell like oil, the reason that it's going to be a short recording session, but instead, right, though it is, I'm going to have a shower after this, it is because other people are home, and the shorter the recording session, the less likely it is to get interrupted. And God, do I not want these to get interrupted. That would suck. Suck so very bad. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom. Boom. Ow. Douchebag. Humanities. Almost killing me. Yeah, that's what you do. You do. Douchebag. Yeah. Sorry, I was just looking on the internet. I've got to see if I've got a thing. I probably don't. No, I don't. Okay. That's nice. Wow. The internet. The people who are on the internet on one of the forums that I just randomly clicked on whilst looking for ways to make this fight slightly easier for myself, called some of his attacks Stretch Armstrong attacks, which, you know, is a nickname that I would have to be honest, agree with. It's very Stretch Armstrong-y. Right. You know, maybe I shouldn't activate the power within thing until, like, after summoning the sister, because it's just a waste of flasks, especially when I can't find the fucking thing. Yep, that's fair. Fair, balanced fight. Very fair and very balanced fight. Love it. Great. Great. Love it. This fight doesn't annoy me. Not at all. No. Not in any way, shape, or form. And we've got another 6-ish minutes to record. You know what that means? We've got 6-ish minutes to get back there and fight him again. Love it. Just love it. Don't you just love it? Of course. Of course you just love it. Of course you love, you know, short episodes. You know, little short episodes where there is no progress made at all. Aren't they just the best? Just the best. Ooh, okay. So, Soul aside, how are you all today? Are you having a good bank holiday? I hope you are. And if you're watching this when it's, you know, not the day it's been uploaded, then how very dare you not watch this as soon as it's uploaded? I mean, what are you talking about? But no, seriously, if you're not watching this on the bank holiday that it should be uploaded upon, then how's your day? Normal day, bank holiday. I mean, it could be a different bank holiday that you're watching it on, who knows? Or rewatching it. Still, how's your day? If it is a rewatch occasion, then, well, that's special. And also, how about, like, if you let me know in the comments how you are and it's a rewatch, try and reply to your own comment. That'd be cool. Where's the Sif sign of summoning? Over here. Whee! Run away! This fight is fair and balanced! Yay! 'Cause it's not even learning all of the movesets or anything. It's just fucking... See? Balanced! Lovely and fair! Lovely and fair and balanced! And, it's a good fight! It's a good fight! It's definitely a good fight! 3 minutes, 37 seconds left, roughly. Isn't that good? Isn't that great? Yep. Lovely. You know what that means? You know what that means? It means we can't have another fight with a fucking boss, because it takes about 3 minutes to fucking make it there. Ooh. Calm, Reeve. Calm, Reeve. Okay. Relaxed. Everyone be tranquil. Deep breath in through your nose, unless it's full of snot, in which case, just breathe through your mouth. And then deep breaths out as well. Also through your mouth. Try not to yawn. I was about to yawn. And then you'll be calm. Probably. Maybe. Also, I believe try and keep your breaths in and out to take about the same amount of time. Because if you have breathing in... I think it's in for a shorter period than out, then you're likely to make yourself enraged. If not, then it's the other way around. Either that, or that's complete bullshit that someone told me once. Which wouldn't surprise me with the people I know. But yes. I think I could do with a cup of tea after my shower. Just to, help keep the calm down process in order, in going, in is not the correct term to say there. Just take the in out and just say going. To keep the calming down process going. That's the one. Woo! Okay. So, I watched Musketeers, that's back, BBC One. Watched that yesterday. And, damn, their fashion was on point. Also, someone I know is gone to Comic-Con recently. And they got a Pokemon shirt. Very cool, very snazzy, very nice. Like it. And it makes me think, can't wait until I go to EGX this year, hopefully. And here we are again, to finish another episode with no fucking progress. Why is there no progress? Well, praise the motherfucking sun, and hope for a fair fight. Next episode, in Sniffle Souls 50. Who knows, perhaps it might be a failcast. Yeah, because as it's, bank holiday today, if I record it today, then I might have time to edit it tomorrow because it's half term, which means that I can spend as many hours as I need. Maybe. Perhaps, I don't know. Look at that glitch up there. Oh, it stopped. Anyway, my name's been James, your name's been whatever the hell you're called, and I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.